This is where we bought my
Kick flip.
nice.
Oh, excuse me. All aboard.